Connected, yeah. Camera action. Here we are back in the studio with my model, Leah Boulay. She is a professional makeup artist that did her makeup last time, and she has this pain called I have a baby face.
Yep.
Not
I really
such a baby face though, but obviously she can't go into clubs and have fun with her age, you know.
Yep.
No alcohol, which is good. I'll do her makeup today to show you Hollywood style baby face makeup. So how to look older with a bit of eyeliner, quite classic things. And I think I look smaller than you, do I?
Yes, you do.
Wait, let me be a man like that. Far better now, yeah? All good. Ciao, ciao. Classic makeup application, black pencil, Lancome. I use a bunch of these per year because they're absolutely fantastic. Very long, which means long, lasting, close to the lash line. Because Leia has deep set eyes, I'll do this. See here. But I won't exaggerate because on top, I'll just apply an eyeshadow. Blend it here. First I blend it down. This works like an eyeliner. It gives depth to the eye. Makes it a bit more 3D. But the main idea is that it makes the eyelashes thick. White all over the eye. Leo was like, are you using white? And I'm like, hello, it's like the color I use the most. Because she uses, what you use? Beige. Mm-hmm. She uses beige, more natural colors. The main idea when turning a baby face into a Hollywood superstar, looking more grown up, is that you do harsh lines. Therefore, this C you could actually skip. And just do what I'm doing now, because you'll see when I'll blend it outwards, here on this part, I'll make a point. So this will be like a cat eye flick. You see how I'm doing with a brush now, just flicking it out here, and then going in. And on the inner part, because I'll push the brush, you see how I'm pushing it, it will make a thin line towards the inner part. You don't need to use a thin brush there or whatever, just push it inside. But this works just if you have deep set eyes. No way you'll do this on prominent eyes. So you see all the lines go up here. What you need to do is actually pull everything up and in a point. Which means that I'll lift the arch as well, make it angled, and it will make her face look less baby face. My cheapest brush of them all, 1.5 euros, eyeliner brush, which is a round brush that I bought in an art shop. But look at this flick, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, pop, down. Ooh. Wow! Magic, magic, magic. Look at these. Clear and medium, Yves Saint Laurent, both on one hand. Watch when you do this that you don't drip it on a model. Here we go, here we go. Look at this. Match. Bam. You see? Boink, 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 boink. Wake me up with two chocolate. Da, 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 da. If the model was behaving, she gets a nice treatment with a soft brush. Look up. White in the eye, on the stars. Look up, please.
You're welcome.
Grey on the outer corner, just to make the eyes more almond shaped, because now they look pointed. If you've been partying the whole night and you look crashed, this is what you do. This is how I hold the brush. Look at this. Here, hold it like this to make a point, and then towards her mouth, because this will make her glamorous. If I would flick it towards her nose, she would look bubbly, whereas this is a technique for a night out. Baby need blush. Look here. Lips, because they're that curved, I'll make them slightly more pointed. As I said, everything is about making the face more angled. I'm terrified of doing lips. Everything works well, eyeliner and stuff, but lips, when you're all done with makeup and you need to, I don't know, it's just the hardest to make them. Eyebrows. So 6.5 hours in the makeup tutorial, we're finally doing the brows. Combing them and filling them in. But because she has thick eyebrows, I'm going actually in the opposite direction. So here, so go slightly up, fill them in like this, draw up like the haze, look up. This is where you can really screw up the makeup. Applying mascara just on the outer corners mainly, and I can actually push the mascara wand on her waterline, because if I make it darker there, the eye will look more almond shaped.
I've been broken down. I won't turn around. I've grown sick and tired of you telling me to swim upstream and undermine me. My eyes and blind me. You can't define me. You're so wrong. Where could
Like, put a lot in the mouth. A lot. Here we are back in the studio eating nuts, because my mom said that you mustn't talk with full mouth, but since I live alone, it's okay. Therefore, I invited Leia because she also wanted to eat with her mouth full, and you know, not listen to her mom. We're doing Hollywood babyface makeup, you know, yep. Hollywood Bollywood makeup for baby faces. I'll show you how to do eyeliners, classic makeup that will last. I felt like I need more nuts because yes. I lost my words, you know. I think I need to talk with my mouth full. This is it. Check out the makeup tutorial. Bye.